Ugh, a scratched phone screen. It's one of those little annoyances that can really get under your skin. You pull your phone out of your pocket, ready to check a message or browse the web, and there it is. A glaring scratch right across the screen. It happens to the best of us. No matter how careful you are, those tiny scratches seem inevitable. Maybe it was your keys, or perhaps a grain of sand at the beach. Whatever the cause, the result is the same. A marred screen that makes using your phone a less enjoyable experience. Those annoying little marks can make it hard to see your screen, especially in bright light. They catch the glare and make it difficult to read text or watch videos. But don't worry though, there's hope for your scratched screen. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive repairs. Professional repair services can be costly, and sometimes the cost of fixing the screen can be almost as much as buying a new phone. But before you consider that, let's explore some budget-friendly alternatives. You can actually fix those scratches at home. Yes, you heard that right. With a little bit of patience and some common household items, you can make those scratches disappear or at least become much less noticeable. Yes, you read that right. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend hours on complicated procedures. Simple DIY methods can yield impressive results. Common household items can work wonders on those pesky scratches. Things like toothpaste, baking soda, and even certain types of oils can be used to buff out the scratches and restore your screen's clarity. In this article, we'll explore some simple and effective DIY techniques to help you restore your phone's screen to its former glory. We'll cover everything from using toothpaste to specialized screen repair kits that you can buy online. We'll guide you step by step through each method using easy-to-find ingredients. You'll learn how to apply these materials, how long to leave them on, and how to buff them out for the best results. Get ready to say goodbye to those scratches and hello to a crystal clear view. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your phone screen looking almost as good as new without having to spend a lot of money. Let's get started on banishing those scratches and bringing your phone screen back to life. Follow along, and soon you'll be enjoying a scratch-free screen once again. Believe it or not, you probably already have everything you need to fix those scratches right in your home. We're talking about simple things you use every day. Grab some toothpaste, the non-gel kind works best. Baking soda is another pantry staple that can work wonders. And don't forget about baby oil. It's not just for babies. Of course, you'll also need some microfiber cloths for cleaning and buffing. These cloths are gentle on your screen and won't leave behind any lint. Now that you've gathered your supplies, let's dive into the repair techniques. Toothpaste isn't just for pearly whites. It's a versatile household item that can be used for various purposes beyond dental hygiene. One surprising use is its ability to work wonders on minor screen scratches. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or even a watch face, toothpaste can help. The mild abrasive in toothpaste can help buff out those little marks. It's a simple and cost-effective solution that you can try at home. First, dab a tiny amount of toothpaste onto a soft microfiber cloth. Make sure to use a non-gel toothpaste, as gel types won't have the same effect. Gently rub the toothpaste in circular motions over the scratched area. This motion helps to evenly distribute the abrasive particles, which work to smooth out the surface. Don't press too hard, or you might make the scratches worse. A gentle touch is key to avoid causing additional damage. After a minute or two of rubbing, use a clean part of the cloth to wipe away the excess toothpaste. Make sure to remove all residue to see the results clearly. Look at your screen. Is the scratch less noticeable? If it is, you've successfully reduced the appearance of the scratch. You can repeat this process a couple of times if needed. Sometimes a second or third application can further improve the results. Remember, this method works best on light scratches. It's a handy trick for those minor imperfections that can be so annoying. For deeper marks, you might need to try something a bit stronger. There are specialized products and kits available for more severe damage. These kits often include more potent abrasives and tools designed specifically for screen repair. They can be a worthwhile investment if you frequently deal with screen scratches. With a little patience and the right approach, you can keep your screens looking clear and new. So next time you see a scratch, remember the gentle touch of toothpaste might just do the trick. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to maintain your devices. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Baking soda is a powerhouse in the kitchen, and it can tackle those tougher screen scratches too. It's a bit more abrasive than toothpaste, so it can handle deeper marks. Create a paste by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water. Apply a small amount of this paste to a microfiber cloth and gently rub it onto the scratch. Use circular motions and light pressure, just like you did with the toothpaste. Baking soda can be a bit more abrasive, so don't rub too vigorously. Wipe away the paste with a clean part of the cloth and check your handiwork. The scratch should be less noticeable, if not gone completely. Section 5. Baby oil for a polished look. Baby oil is a great way to give your phone screen a final polish after using toothpaste or baking soda. It also helps to minimize the appearance of any remaining scratches. Put a drop or two of baby oil on a clean microfiber cloth. Gently rub the oil onto your phone screen, covering the entire surface. The baby oil will fill in any tiny scratches and create a smooth, polished look. Plus, it will leave your screen smelling fresh and clean. Section 6, Screen Protector Power Prevention is key. Now that you've banished those scratches, let's talk about keeping your screen pristine. A clean screen is the first step to ensuring your phone stays in top condition. A screen protector is your phone's best friend when it comes to preventing future damage. It's like a shield that stands between your phone and the hazards of daily life. Screen protectors are thin, transparent films that adhere to your phone's screen. They are designed to be almost invisible, so you won't even notice they're there. They act as a barrier, absorbing impacts and preventing scratches from reaching the actual glass. Imagine dropping your phone and seeing it survive without a scratch. That's the power of a good screen protector. There are different types of screen protectors available, including tempered glass and plastic film. Each type has its own set of advantages and is suited for different needs. Tempered glass offers the highest level of protection. It's tough, durable, and can withstand significant impacts, making it ideal for those who are prone to dropping their phones. While plastic film is a more budget-friendly option, it still provides a decent level of protection against scratches and minor impacts. It's perfect for those who want to protect their phone without spending too much. Invest in a good quality screen protector and apply it carefully to your phone's screen. The application process is simple, but requires a bit of patience to ensure there are no bubbles or misalignments. It's a small price to pay for long-term protection. Think of it as an insurance policy for your phone's screen. A little effort now can save you from costly repairs or replacements in the future. Section 7, Case Closed, Shielding Your Phone. A sturdy phone case is another must-have for protecting your phone from scratches and cracks. Think of it as your phone's suit of armor. Choose a case that fits your phone snugly and provides adequate protection for the edges and corners. Look for cases with raised bezels around the screen, as these will prevent the screen from touching surfaces when you lay your phone face down. There are countless case designs and materials available, so you can find one that suits your style and level of protection needed. Section 8. Pocket Smarts, Avoiding Scratches. Believe it or not, your pocket can be a hazardous place for your phone. Keys, coins, and other sharp objects can easily scratch your screen. Make it a habit to keep your phone in a separate pocket from your keys and coins. If possible, put your phone in a pocket by itself to minimize the risk of scratches. Consider using a small pouch or sleeve for your phone when you carry it in your bag or purse. This will provide an extra layer of protection against scratches from other items. Section 9. A clean sweep wiping away trouble. Did you know that dirt and dust can actually scratch your phone's screen? It's true. Those tiny particles can act like sandpaper over time, causing micro scratches. Get into the habit of regularly cleaning your phone's screen with a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe away any dust, smudges, or fingerprints. Avoid using harsh cleaning products on your phone's screen, as these can damage the oleophobic coating that repels fingerprints. A dry or slightly damp microfiber cloth is all you need. And Section 10. Heat is the enemy. Keep your cool. Heat can be detrimental to your phone's battery and screen. Avoid exposing your phone to direct sunlight for extended periods, especially in hot cars. Don't leave your phone in hot places like dashboards or near windows where it can overheat. Heat can cause the battery to expand, potentially damaging the screen and other internal components. If your phone does get hot, turn it off and let it cool down in a cool, shaded area before using it again. Section 11. DIY Repair Recap. You've got this! Congratulations! You've learned some simple yet effective DIY techniques to fix those pesky screen scratches and prevent future damage. Remember, toothpaste, baking soda, and baby oil are your new best friends. Use them wisely and with a gentle touch to restore your phone's screen to its former glory. Don't forget the importance of prevention. Invest in a screen protector and a sturdy phone case to keep your screen safe from harm's way. Section 12. Embrace the imperfections. While a pristine phone screen is always desirable, it's important to remember that a few minor scratches are a normal part of phone ownership. Don't stress too much over every little mark. Embrace the imperfections and enjoy using your phone to its fullest. After all, it's the memories you create and the connections you make that truly matter, not the state of your phone's screen.